Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, depending on what time you're watching this, what part of the world you're in. This is Chris again, the Watch Lounge, coming in with another video. Today's unboxing is another triple unboxing. Today's unboxing is a little bit more on the affordable side, guys. I have here two Boldr, which they're already kind of unboxed. As you know, I kind of cheated a little bit, but I do have the box that came in. They didn't come in anything but this travel case, guys. As they were or are, I do believe the two prototypes that they are out now. I believe they are new models from Boldr. Two of the new, I believe, titanium camo versions of the Boldr Venture, which is pretty cool to check out for the channel. Definitely pretty cool, really lightweight, guys. Pretty impressed from it so far. And another collaboration from Rich over at Salzman's, guys. He sent in the, he was kind enough to send in a Citizen. This is the ProMaster. This is the Aqualand GMT, the Pepsi version. Quick wristwatch check. M&D wearing the little Casio, excuse me, guys. M&D wearing the little Casio, the W217. Looking for a full review of this guy coming up about another week or so, guys. Kind of testing this one out, testing the waters on this one. I'm really digging this upgraded version of the F91. Thanks again for Just a Watch Dave for pointing this out to us and showing this to us. And except for 20 bucks, you can't really beat this watch. But again, this these two Boldrs were sent via Random Rob's Discord group, guys. So as you know, I get to check out plenty of watches through that group. Luckily to be a part of that group, guys. Thanks, Rob. Thanks to the group. I believe it might have been set up by Kevin over at Wrong Time Watch. Thanks, Kevin, for setting that up. I'll leave a link to both their channels below. And again, the Citizen Aqualand is courtesy of Rich over at Salzman's. I will leave a link down to his online store below, guys, where you can purchase any Citizen or Breitling and many other brands that feature on the channel, guys. He's been kind enough to work with the channel, sending a lot of cool pieces for us to check out. This has been really nice to him. And anyways, guys, I will go to the table and show you the watches in question. Now here are the said watches in question, guys. As I said, they did not come in any box per se, as these are, I do believe, prototypes from Boldr. Thanks to Boldr for loaning these out to all the channels, guys. These are a new prototype. They are out now, I do believe, titanium. And if I read correctly, I think these are made of recycled material on the dial. The camo one is pretty cool. I dig the camo. Of course, you can't go wrong with the classic blue. You got the chronograph configuration here on the right, of course. Then you have this pretty cool blue and orange. I do like the blue and orange combo, of course. You have the date window here at the 3 o'clock on this one. But again, like I said, this chronograph is pretty cool with a blue camo, or with a green camo kind of mixed in, guys. Pretty cool kind of setup, guys. Different colorways are cool, and I've been kind of wearing this green one, and these are really light watches, guys. As you know, I had one of the original Ventures, the quartz version. I ended up selling it, but I may end up picking up one of these versions. These are pretty cool, and like I said, barely wear like they're barely on the wrist, guys. Look for a full review of these guys coming up, and as you do know, I have the Boldr Odyssey coming up for review as well. I'll probably drop that review tomorrow or the next day, as I do have it already published, guys. I just got to upload it, just like I'm uploading this. And on to the Citizen. This again is the Aqualand GMT, guys. Pretty cool to get to check this out. It has the usual Citizen dive tank. As you know, I have one from my old ProMaster back there in the background. You've probably seen them in my videos. Pretty cool though. I do like how Citizen does these little dive tanks on their dive watches. And it is the Pepsi version of the GMT, of course. Definitely pretty cool to get to check out, guys. And here is the said watch in question. And again, this is from Rich over at Salzman's. I appreciate you, Rich, for sending this in. This would be a pretty cool watch for a lot of lefties, though. You can wear it on your, on your right hand or your left hand. Pretty cool. Now here is the reference number right here, guys. So, and again, you can see it retails for $695, which you may say is kind of high for a Citizen, but it is from the authorized dealer. They do come with warranty, everything like that. And I'm sure if you talk to Rich, tell him I sent you, you probably get a discount, guys. Look for a full review of this guy coming up. I do like the red, the blue Pepsi kind of combo. Then there's the famous the Citizen kind of red and white on the GMT hand there. And you do have, it looks like a power reserve here. As I do believe this is the Eco Drive powered watch, guys. You have the ProMaster band here, pretty cool band. But the only thing I've noticed with wearing it a little bit is the band is kind of hard to get loose here on the action here from the rubber. Pretty cool hardware here, nothing too crazy on the case back. Fairly decent, sizable. This is definitely a chunky monkey. You can definitely tell it's on the wrist. It is a unidirectional bezel, not a bi-directional bezel. Bezel action is pretty good. It does line up, and then there you can see on the dial, you see the Citizen, you see the Eco Drive, 200 meters. So pretty cool watch overall to check out, guys. Let me, like I said, I'll do a full review of this on the channel probably here in another week or so. And again, I appreciate Rich again for sending out another cool piece for the channel to check out. Definitely go check out his website that the company he works for over at Salesman's, guys. They have a lot of cool watches, and they're authorized dealer for a lot of cool pieces. Let them know that I sent you if you're interested in any watch. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.